Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Hey guys, it's Miss Janita back again with another gardening video sharing. I want to share with you my new little frog planter. I put some Pothos Devil's Ivy in there. Got the large one and I got the baby one that has some succulent leaves in it. Aren't they adorable? I love them. Hope my pothos grows all right in there. I want to get a string of pearls. That's what I'm gonna look for, a string of pearls. I think that'll be a little bit better because the leaves are kind of big and you can't really see his mouth. So I think I'm gonna get a string of pearls or some other string and plant to put into the frog mouth. The little one, I'm just gonna keep the little succulent in there. Just my little aloe vera baby plant still hanging in there. My prayer plant still hanging in there. Never mind all the junk in the background because there's plenty of it. And this way, the doll in the red, that's her name, this way, decided to join the party. Oh, I love it. But don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell me what number thumbs up you are. Thank you, returning supportive subscribers, for continuing to support this channel, and thank you for continuing to support this gardening community, because this is a gardening community. Yep, and supporting each other is very important and appreciated. Should be by all of us. There's lots of different stuff in the gardening community: garden art, garden plants, gardening, garden tips, garden help. A lot of the subscribers are very, very helpful with their tips and ideas on how to care for and how to teach you and tell you how to care for your plants in your garden. I love it. I love my fellow community gardeners. I really, really do. So what y'all think about this frog planter? His mouth is wide open and you put a plant in there, as you can see. And there go the baby one. So freaking adorable. I got it spinning so you can see all around, back, side, and front. You know he's holding his mouth too. Can't see it so well because of the big leaf plant, but there's his hand. He's holding his mouth while it's wide open so he can, you know, contain whatever's in it. But I think it's cute. It's cute. And my other little frog hiding back there behind this way with the bug eyes, that's helping this way sit up on the table. But I just wanted to come through and share my little frog planter with y'all. And I'm gonna try and do some DIYs. I think I have did a DIY on a planter in on my balcony garden. It's raining over here on and off. It's kind of cold. My knees hurting because, you know, arthritis and cold weather go together. I'm about to go get me something to eat, y'all. I'm hungry. I just got up. That's it. Not gonna keep y'all any longer. Have a great day. Have a happy gardening day. Thank you for watching. And trolls, become friends of the channel and stop being a troll. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Well wish. Share some ideas, your gardening goings-ons, and what's happening. That's what's up. That's what's up. Check out my other two channels, y'all. I have a grocery channel and a crafting channel. The link is in the description box. Bye for now. Thanks for your time and support.